Alright, we're going to start with the Assessment 1-2A, problem number 7. The question reads, in the following sequence, the figures are made of cubes that are glued together. If the surfaces need to be painted, first question is going to be how many squares will be painted in the 15th term, and then we also have the question in the nth term. As you can see here, I've drawn out the different cubes. I personally think the easiest way to get this problem started is by making up a table. On this side of the table, we are going to have the figure number, and on the other side, we're going to have sides to be painted. Basically, you're just going to put what term of the sequence you are looking at. We're going to count up the sides of each of them and then fill in the table as follows. For this first figure in the sequence, there will be 6 sides to paint. In the second term, there are 10 sides, and in the third term, there are 14 sides, and then the ... just demonstrates that the sequence continues on as it is. So we can tell in between each of these that we are adding 4, making the sequence arithmetic. So again, personally, I think it's easiest to start by finding the nth term. To do that, we are going to get started with the arithmetic sequence formula, which is an equals a1, which means the first term in the sequence, plus n minus 1 times the difference. So whatever we are adding or either subtracting, in this case adding by. So if we're going to go ahead and fill in this formula, a1 is going to be 6 plus n minus 1. The difference is 4. If we just continue this algebraically, we are going to end up with 4n plus 2, which is then going to be the answer to part B of the question, the nth term. So 4n plus 2. Again, I think that's easiest to do it that way, because now to find part A of the question, we're just going to go ahead and plug in 15 into that n spot. So if we go ahead and do that, we're going to get 62, therefore showing us there will be 62 sides to paint in that 15th term.